Hello, I'm Grady Wolf, Market Analyst at Bell Direct, and I'm super excited to bring to you today another special edition of our From the Helm series, live at the Resources Rising Stars here in Sydney at the Twilight series. Now, we're bringing to you 6 CEOs and managing directors in 6 minutes. You'll hear it from the helm, all the outlook, all the exciting things that are coming up for these mining companies, so let's dive straight in.
Got significant lithium potential in the Gascoyne region, so we're adjacent to the Delta lithium discoveries. Work is out there today, it's active at the moment. We're hoping to have drilling out there in the near term, in the next couple of months, so results by the end of this year. Part of the value proposition for Minerals 260 is to grow. The projects we've got today are fantastic in their own right, but we want this company to grow quickly, and that means putting things into the pipeline, so as things don't succeed in their own right, they can drop out of the portfolio and we continue to bring things in. We're relatively agnostic to the commodity. We want growth and we want value, and we're going to do that through the drill bit primarily. But if we see things that we can add value to, we'll absolutely study them and hopefully bring them into our portfolio too.
Well, we went from 0 ounces to 720 as of early this week in less than 12 months. So we've been drilling flat out and we've spent about $9 million and achieved $13 an ounce per discovery of those ounces. Well, it's a good number, it's a low number, and it means we've been very efficient with our capital. We thought about what would be the one word or the one name that would embody what we've managed to achieve at the company. Gascoyne is an old name, we need a new name. We have a small team, we're very driven by what we do, but we back each other, and we think that that Spartan name applies to us.
Cygnus, we're a lithium explorer in James Bay, Quebec. So if people don't know where James Bay, Quebec is, it's in Canada. Think of it as the new Pilbara of North America. So you should be very excited. We're about to come out with a resource after only being in country for 12 months. We have 3 projects and we are now the largest landholder of an ASX listed company in James Bay. Well, the outlook for us is drilling and exploring and building up our resource. North America is investing significant funds into EVs, into battery technologies, and in fact constructing battery plants. And so we're right on that doorstep. There are significant incentives to be operating in that country, and because it's been underexplored compared to Western Australia, that's why you're seeing a lot of Australians head there, because of the opportunity.
Sunstone is a gold, copper focused explorer. We're focused in Ecuador, South America. And fortunately, the team at Sunstone has been involved in a number of really big discoveries elsewhere in the world. Porphyry copper golds, again, that's our area of expertise. And we think we're on to 2 more with our project. Look, we've been copper bulls for a long time. We're gold bulls as well, and the 2 go very well together. As I said, we've been involved in a couple of big discoveries, so we know what we're doing, and we think we can do it again. Limon is part of the Brahmadiros project, so that's our project in the south, supported by really good infrastructure. This is a great place to be contemplating developing a mine. At Limon, we've discovered high-grade gold and silver that sits beside a gold, copper, silver system. So a huge opportunity, and we've gone public saying we think this is a 10 million ounce gold equivalent system. So that would put it into a tier 2 type opportunity, and hopefully we'll take it up to tier 1.
Well, Kairos is a Western Australian focused exploration and resource development company. We are focused really on lithium, on our lithium assets. And we have a 1.6 million ounce gold project as well. And we're about to start drilling on some really exciting lithium projects. Well, it's in the shadow of Mana. Mana's a 36 million tonne lithium deposit and owned by Global Lithium. And they've recently taken a 10% stake in Kairos. And they're very excited to put the money in to support the exploration a bit further south, where we have some really high quality lithium anomalies to drill. It shows the investment community that there's a major lithium company that's very technically sound that's supporting a junior company like us, and they wouldn't be doing that unless they saw something in the lithium space there with our company. So I think it's a massive endorsement, and I think our shareholders should really be happy about the way that we've refinanced.
Well, we listed about a year ago on the ASX based on projects around Pine Creek in the Northern Territory. Our initial work was based on uranium, And earlier this year, we switched over to our main focus for graphite, and we're now pursuing the graphite projects up there. Well, graphite traditionally has been based on production and consumption in China and production out of West Africa. So where we are, about 2 hours drive south of Darwin, provides a fantastic place to do work in the Western world. The market's expected to grow considerably in the next few years based on EV demand and growth of the electric vehicles around the world. So we're well placed to diversify from current production sources, and we're in a fantastic location 2 hours south of Darwin in the Northern Territory.
You heard it here from The Helm first. If you want to know more about these companies, we can link the websites below. That's all from The Helm today. My name is Grady Wolf, and I hope you enjoyed this episode.